Hi, I'm Anusha Khansaheb.
And I'm Jasmyn Bird. And today we are taking an in-depth look at incorporating biophilic design in higher education institution with a concentration on the NC State College of Design.
On average, NCSU College of Design students, faculty, and staff spend approximately 70 hours per week on campus. While the design campus is made up of multiple outdoor spaces, they can be better utilized as a space for learning and educating. For those who spend as much time on campus like us, we believe it's imperative to have a space that offers core biophilic design elements.
So, what is biophilic design? Biophilic design translates to the love for life. Since ancient times, people have been drawn to nature as inspiration for the built environment. Biophilic design is not a new phenomenon. Rather, as a field of applied science, it shows that connections with nature are vital to the existence as an urban species.
Biophilic design can be divided into three categories: nature in the space, natural analogs, and nature of the space.
Nature in the space encompasses 7 biophilic design patterns: a visual connection with nature, a non-visual connection with nature, non-rhythmic sensatory stimuli, thermal and airflow variability, presence of water, dynamic and diffuse light, and a connection with natural systems.
Natural analogs encompasses 3 patterns of biophilic design: biomorphic, forms and patterns, material connection with nature, and complexity and order.
And finally, nature of the space encompasses 4 biophilic design patterns: prospect, refuge, mystery, risk, and peril.
As we begin to view the College of Design through the lens of biophilic design, it becomes apparent that we have multiple opportunities to improve the psychological and physiological health and well-being of the students and faculty.
We evaluated the most populated areas on campus, and we came to the conclusion that the pit, the breezeways, and the studios are the highest traffic areas on the main campus.
The first thing we're going to go over is the pit. The pit is currently a space used for college-sponsored events and socializing. It is a terraced courtyard constructed primarily of bricks with very few green spaces. While the pit has a material connection with nature, it lacks a visual connection with nature and a sense of refuge.
We recommend green terracing and planting to create a more natural environment compared to the brick. With the addition of tables, chairs, and benches, we can provide refuge and place to work outdoors and bring education to the center of the College of Design. Breezeways. Breezeways are a transitional space used by students, faculty, and staff to go from place to place on campus. Much like the pit, the area is made up mostly of brick and often not well lit with a connection of natural systems.
While the space has prospect with views of campus, we believe it could be improved by adding dynamic and diffuse light through shading devices and lighting devices. It would also be beneficial to add biomorphic forms and patterns to the walls and flooring to create a dynamic walking space. Lastly, we're going to talk about the design studios. The studios are spaces for social collaboration and education. However, due to the occasional competitive nature of studio, students often face the overwhelming feeling of risk and peril.
Some ways to improve that include thermal and airflow variability to make the space feel lighter and more breathable, non-visual connections with nature for this indoor, often cramped space, and clear complexity and order, for example, the Hunt Library as color-coded walkways.
As both of us graduate, we hope to improve the spaces we spent countless hours in for future generations of faculty and students. Thank you.
Thank you.